Hi everybody. You what? Hi everyone. We're just at Jenny's place. Hi. And hanging out with Margot. Focus. Hey, who at 8:30 a.m. decided that it was worth her time to go to Big W and pick up the Super Nintendo Mini. Look how tiny this is. Tiny, like my hand covers it.
Oh my god, it's working!
Oh my gosh! It's got 20 games. It's got Street Fighter, Super Mario, Donkey Kong. Yeah, I think it's worth, Margot. I think it's worth it.
Yeah, man. I finished at 11 last night. Woke up early. You wanna play?
Were you working?
Yeah, I was working. Margaret, do you want some? Okay. But you're level 1.
Right, I've got to Instagram this.
Instagram this moment. Recession, I'd say. You know it's 27 years old.
Street Fighter!
It's 27 years old. You have to start it.
I'm gonna kick your ass, girl.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. No. Versus battle. Alright. There's only one female.
Holy shit! The quality is unreal.
Pixelated.
Is that a face? Hadouken! Oh, come on!
Oh! I chose him because he has big calves.
I'm surprised they kept it like that.
Yeah. And it's
They're
square as well.
upgraded. Hey.
Oh my god.
What's that?
Nino!
No, you're probably gonna KO me.
Oh!
You're like twice as big as
I used a muscular man. Didn't work. What's the good one? Hey, don't cheat. Oh, you're winning! Oh my god, Nina!
Oh my god, Kate!
Oh, Nails!
Whoa!
That's how you do it!
Punch! I didn't even touch her!
Can I beat him?
Yeah, beat her. Beat her for me. Is it finished?
Yeah, no way.
Don't record when I'm losing.
Like you. Live video.
I felt the My people can join! Chat.
How do you put a video?
Oh my god. You never normal. You take a snap.
Oh!
Live, guys!
Sorry guys, she accidentally put us on live. No. Hi everyone, so we're just on our way to South Bank for the Fire Festival, or what's it called? The Fire what?
River Fire?
The River Fire. Never seen it before, so we'll suss it out. Just walking. Just gonna go to South Bank, check it out. And I am rocking my bum bag, my Barbie bum bag. And I've got my Sony here, so we'll see how it goes. Very, very busy today. Lots and lots of people. Look at all these people! People climbing trees. Look at these people climbing trees. Which bridge is it? I don't know, is it that one? Oh, they're like proper videographers.
Let's follow them. They look legit.
Oh my lord, look at all these people.
to Messina?
Yeah, okay.
They told me the other end.
You wanna walk?
Yeah.
You're happy to walk? Okay, let's just walk through the river.
Yeah, let's go.
So we just saw the fireworks. We're just trying to get some.
Alana Messina, how many minutes does it walk though?
Good 10, 15, 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Far out.
Let me just
So just wandering the streets. The streets have been closed to cars, so a lot of people just walking by. And we're going to Mr. Fitz. Checking out what they got. So I just went to Woolworths. I just bought the essentials, some oats, some pizza pockets and toilet paper. And now we're just heading home. In my bum bag. Hey guys, so today I'm just going to go to church. I'm going to go to Zara to return the bag that I purchased and revealed because I bought something else. But I'm kind of hungry, so I'm just going to make a meal and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Breakfast. Holy shit. So I just finished my breakfast. So this is what it is. It's oats with fruits. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna film and eat, and I'm gonna head off to church. Everyone, we're at Zara at the moment, checking out the new spring stock. Oh, look at this. Like a little pouch. It's a lot of gingham. This is cool. This is my outfit of the day, guys. Top is from Cotton On, pants are from H&M, shoes are from Zara, and bag is from Ex Nihilo. Hiya everyone, so check out this hairdo, right? Welcome to Vlogtober. I only just realized that it's August. I mean, it's October and it's Vlogtober month. So I'm gonna see if I can do it because I did film a vlog yesterday. So that was day 1 of Vlogtober. Today is day 2, so October the 2nd. So let's get it on. Basically, I'm gonna be having a week off of work for the next week, which is great because that means, you know, I can actually vlog and film what I'm doing over the next day, over the next week, which means I have some content to put up there, see how it goes and see how long I last. But I typically don't do very well with these daily vlogging, but I tried last year and so here we are again. So this is the mess that I've made today. By the way, look at this highlight, right? It is amazing. It's the mix of NYX Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder in Snow Rose and also this Garbo and Kelly palette, which I love and I've mentioned it in a favorites video before. So yes, that's what's up. Anyways guys, I'm just cleaning up this hellhole room. That is what happens after you film. What did I get up to? 3 videos today? No, just 2 videos, but then I filmed yesterday as well. So anyways, this is what happens, and now I'm just going to clean it up. So I'm thinking of doing a time lapse. Let's get to it, and then after I clean, I'm going to watch a movie, and then we're going to go to the gym, and then we're going to edit, and then I think that's the day. So let's do it. Hey guys, so we just finished watching the movie. I'm just editing, I'm just cleaning my sheets, so I am parking my butt on the living room bed and I am just editing a video which I hope to make live in just a little while. It's basically my handbag video. It's my handbag reveal. It's my handbag reveal on the bag that I got myself for my birthday. It's been a while, I know. It's been like, oh, what, July, August, September, October, 3 months since that video. But you'll understand the struggles that I had with it. So anyways, I'm gonna do that. I'm just setting up shop in the living room and chatting to Leon, who is on Skype, because you know that's what you do when you do long distance Skype. But yeah, anyways, it's nice and cold today, like really chilly, and it's the perfect time to be at home. I'm supposed to go to the gym, but I don't know if I can make it. It's honestly just like that weather where you need, like, everyone wants to stay at home. Hey guys, so it's 11:20. We just finished watching Mean Girls. It's such a good movie. Forgot how good it was. And I'm just gonna do some edits and then I'm gonna head off to bed. So yeah, this is day 2 of Vlogtober and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. Good morning guys, so it is October 3. I'm just gonna make a coffee, get ready, and then maybe film a few more videos for you guys, because this week is going by so quickly, it's insane. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm just lying down, and obviously there is a bit of the news of you know, the Las Vegas massacre, and it's actually really scary. Looking at it, it didn't even sound like the gunman had any reason to really be shooting at people. I don't know, it's just anyways, it's sad, and I feel really tired as well, just filming this morning, and I'm exhausted and just tired. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge my phone. It's just charging at the moment, and then I'm going to go for a run. Hopefully that might make me feel better. And then we're going to go to the gym a little bit later on. Yeah. I've realised that when you're down in the dumps like this and you're bored or you're tired, it's actually really nice to just go for a run, go for a walk, get outside. And it's taken me 28 years to actually realise this, which is crazy. It's only when you start doing it and you actually notice that it's actually really good for you. So I highly recommend, if you haven't taken up walking, running, jogging, just go out there and do it. Hey guys, evening. It's actually 11:30 now. I did end up going for a run, and then I went to the gym afterwards, so a bit of a double session, because I didn't exercise at all this weekend. I'm just packing at the moment. I'm actually going to Adelaide tomorrow, which I'm excited about. Parents don't know, so I hope that they still don't know. But yeah, I'm just last minute packing, but I might finish it off tomorrow because I am exhausted. Might just wake up early and finish the rest off. That is it from me. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Good night. morning guys. So it's October 4th and I've just come from a run and I've just made myself some oats, which I'm just about to have, and then I'm gonna get ready and start packing for Adelaide, which I leave in a few hours, so we should get started. And yeah, what else is there to say? Not much, so I'm just gonna eat my oats. So I think I showed you guys how to do this. They're not quite overnight oats, they're like 10-minute oats, but they're still good. That coconut though, coconut does the trick. Alright, I'll leave you guys here and I'm gonna have breakfast. Hey guys, so I'm at home now. My brother's picked me up.
Oh,
Thanks,
that was an hour.
Yeah, thanks.
At IKEA. Waiting.
And my parents don't know I'm here, so I'm gonna surprise them. They're at church at the moment, so just trying to figure out what I should do. Where should I hide, Jeppy?
No, you just need to hide in the room.
I get so tall I can't reach you.
You need to hide in the room.
Nah.
I'll just do something like that. Easy. I'll just hide like behind.
Where are you going, bro?
I'm going as well.
Hey.
He's going to the gym. With his girl.
With your girl? You go to the gym with your girl?
There he goes. A couple goals. Couple goals. Look at that shadow. Look at that shadow.
What Chan? What Chan?
Jeffy, lift up your shirt. Oh my God. I don't want to get it. I don't want to get you. I don't want to get you flagged. Hello? Yeah.
Slowly?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
Don't scare them. No, have a time.
Or should I just knock?
Yeah, no. Yeah. Yeah, just do a knock. If they don't open it.
Don't start it yet. Have you started it?
I started it.
Oh, they're not
You're
here.
practicing.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh my God, are they here? Are they here?
They're here. I'm turning it on
Oh,
now.
I just turned it on.
You turned it on?
I think so, double check.
Yeah, it's on. See you later. I'll send you.
They're not coming in, so I'm just gonna walk out. I'm hungry.
Oh! Bakit nandito ka?
Hello.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh! I got
You guys get to your room, kiss it.
I've been waiting in your room, waiting to walk in, so hot. Hi. You took too long.
Because we went to the bus on the first Wednesday.
No, that's fine. But I meant took too long to change.
Paano si daddy mo gutom na daw?
They're like, yeah, go to the room.
I know.
Change when they get home.
I know On the way back.